Hi, my name is Wandra. I'm from South Korea, and today we are going to make a very popular traditional Korean food called Pajeon, which is a pancake, and it always has to have green onions in it. Okay, I will show you the ingredients. First of all, the pancake mix. It's a ready mix that you can get from Korean grocery store in your location, and it has to have green onions because the name Pajeon means green onion pancake. This is shredded carrots and sliced small pieces of pepper, any flavor you want, and shredded zucchini and shrimp shell, raw shrimp, shelled and chopped a little bit. So the flour mix and green onion are the main ingredients. The rest is an option. So you can use anything. You can use squids instead of shrimp, or you can use shrimp, squids, any seafood. And the vegetables also you can choose whatever you want in there. So we will start with 2 cups of pancake mix. So go like this. Okay, and then we'll use cold water. It's important that you use cold water. We'll mix it until it makes into a thick dough. Well, it's a lot easier to make it into a dough when you put a little bit, water a little bit at a time. When the dough gets about this consistency, we have used this is a 16-ounce bottle, so it looks like we have used about 10 ounces for 2 cups. This is the consistency that I would like to start with. If you think that this is too watery, then you can add more powder. Or if you want it thinner, you can add more water. So I am adding green onion that I washed and cut up. This is I will put zucchini slices. This is actually julienne, real fine julienne. I'm gonna add some more water to thin the mixture because I'm going to add more ingredients. Let me show you this. I might still need some more water, but this is a pretty good consistency here. So now I'm going to add the next 3 ingredients that we have. So this is cayenne pepper, finely sliced and chopped, and shredded carrots. I grated this, and about 2 pounds of shrimp. So mix it evenly. So when you scoop the batter to fry it in a pan, equal amount of every ingredient goes in there. Okay, now I'm going to use oil, and you want to be generous about this. As you can see, even after adding extra water, the consistency is pretty thick. This is important so that when you scoop the batter on the pan, it doesn't drip all over. Ready to put the batter into the pan that's been heating with oil, any vegetable oil. So to find out if it's ready, I dip a little batter and put it in the oil. And if it sizzles, it's ready for you to place the batter in the pan. Take a spoonful. I'm gonna make a small, manageable size. because I cut the onions in bigger length, it's not going to be a perfect round. I am making a small pancake. It's easier to handle with your spatula when you turn it over. So you heat up the oil to medium-high heat so the bottom doesn't burn, the surface doesn't burn. You want it golden brown. Brown. That's nice color. So you can press it after you flipped it over so that everything cooks evenly. Okay, as you can see, the pancake size is an individual portion size. And when you go to the restaurant, you probably will see a real large pancake and they cut it into bite-sized pieces. So the size is up to you, no matter, you know, it depends on how you want to use it. Okay, this one's done, so I'm gonna take it off and stick it over to the other one.